Yo, what's up? No intro today. Let's up. No, this is off topic. Yes, sir. I need this for user rank and also little cat. Sorry if I sound so bad. It's late. I know it's only like 7:44, but alright. Today we're continuing, not continuing, but like progressing on Candy Legends. So, let's go. I guess here's my. That is my load up right there. Now I'm going to fix this team because this is for Cosmic Frontier. Yeah, see you in like 2 seconds. Okay, I just fixed my team. This time I'll try to use Last Boss because I just got it. Now, if you're wondering, there's one guy who asked me, "Bro, why is your cat so low level?" The answer is, I don't know. Yeah, that's the most generic answer. Literally, my highest is literally a level 49 eraser. Yeah, I'm just poor. Let's go, fainting porch. Oh, we found this juicy pig. Let's send Can out. Yeah, I haven't like fully maxed out Gravolodon, but he's pretty good. No, not pretty good, really good. Wait, I shouldn't be rushing. I'll try to use this as its full potential. All right. Oh wait, that's Oros. I was wondering like, oh wait, is that it? Don't worry, Oros is pretty easy. I got my Gao here. Definitely not Uber uses. I got this before Heavenly Floor 30. Yeah, that was pretty insane. Which literally just one tapped my was bro, I forgot Cat's name. Okay, time to send Gravolodon out. Literally, my cat will get literally destroyed of all of this. Literally, these Saint Piggies, if I say that correct, are literally just ultra buffed. Okay, that's one down. I think another will come. I'm really sure another will come because that's not it. Right. I'll try to use Last Boss on Oros. Well, okay, here goes nothing. I'll try to no, not try. I will wait for Saturday because I don't have any epic seeds right now. Okay, that did help. That's like, I don't know, 100,000 damage. And hopefully it will attack again. Okay. That's still pretty good. I I don't actually know how to properly use Last Boss because I suck at everything. Even my grades are failing. Oh wow, I'm so surprised my Last Boss is still alive. Yeah, now literally my friends are literally just wanted dynamites. Everyone literally wants Last Boss. Literally, my friend just got like 4 Ubers in a row. None of them are like Last Boss. Before I got Last Boss, he keeps saying that, oh my god, Last Boss is so good. Now, he said that it's trash because I got it. Well, I don't blame him. He's already beaten the game. He's better than me. Hang, whatever. Hangover couch. Let's go. I maybe only do one chapter because literally a stage in UL literally takes ages. Oh wait, no, that's a big cell right there. Wait, what should I do? I just rush the stage or something? Oh wait, that's an axolotl. Oh wait, that's not good. I mean, that's not even good. My Gravolodon can help it. For some weird reason, my mic keeps changing. Plus, I don't even have a mic. I always say gibberish. Yeah, don't. I do apologize for that. Intense breathing simulator. Come on. Yeah, I think. Yeah, one shot. Oh wait. Since when is already there? Yo, what the hell, bro? Don't take the base. 75. Well, what should I bring here? Hopefully there isn't like relics or something. So I'll just take Holy Blast. I know it's just level 3. That's all of I can afford. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm really poor. I'm the most poorest UL player ever. So no, we aren't going to use any Ubers. Hopefully, because if I ran out of choices, then I will have to use them. So I got Gold Cat. Okay, let's go for Gold Cat. I feel drip. No, not drippy. Yeah, I feel drippy today. So let's go for Gold Cat. Then, yeah, why not? Let's bring Manic Island. Wait, this last spot help. I'll just replace Boulder. Well, probably that's the only changes I do. Yeah, if you suggest me any like good stuff that I should get, just tell me, please. I really need them. Please, I really need good stuff. Okay, I feel so drippy. Let's spawn some Gold Cat. Oh my god, I feel so Sigma. Let me start Mew. I don't know what the hell did I just say there. I suppose I just rushed the stage. But I'll get clapped by this axolotl. Yeah. That's... I can do some ship damage to the axolotl and the... Bro, I keep forgetting names. I have like Alzheimer's or something. Obviously, that's a joke. I don't have Alzheimer's. But imagine I do. We never know. Hopefully that's some good damage right there. I heard it like deals like 3 times more damage when it's buried. Bro, I hate you. Bro, Big Sal, go to your house. Oh, I just said nothing there. 73, that's pretty good. Wait a minute. I just thought of a genius idea. No, we don't need ramen for this stage, I guess. I remember my special meme. Let's use Paragon Cat. Cause, oh, why not? Remembers of that meme that I did, like, what was my first few shorts or something? Yeah. Sometimes like video the video sound literally like keeps boosting it up. Like the last video that I used my voice on, literally it sucked so bad. Come on, just Barry. Okay. See? Now it just keeps sending. Bro, how did that? Bro, Bixel, I'm actually going to your house. I'm coming to your house today. No, 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 miss, please, miss, please. Okay, okay, missed. I'm proud of you. Wait. Yes, sir. Wait, I just realized. Well, my Paragon cat will get hit by the axolotls. Oh, oh crap. Oh crap. No, no. Dude, I hate you. I hate you. Bro, what the hell? I hate you, stage. This stage is so bad. This stage is so bad. Bro, Big Sal, I'll go to your house and I'll kidnap you and your loved ones. Alright, I gotta think of a proper stat. So one thing is, we don't want the axolotls to... Oh, wait. Do we need Gal? No, I'll just put Octopus there. Bro, this lineup looks so messy. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to be honest. This looks so messy. Literally, I'm just using Gold Cat. Just for the fun of it. I wonder that Gold Cat has the same stat as Cat. Because my cat is more drippy than Gold Cat. Gold Cat is just too expensive. See? Wait. Wave attack. Can this block? Yes, sir. But the problem is, it will get absolutely clapped by, yeah, Neondum. As long as I don't like... Yep, now I just need Octopus. Then I can just put Paragon out. Wow, wait. My Octopus is going to die. Oh. Dude, I gotta deal damage to Neondum. Oh, that was crap timing. No, not crap timing. I don't know what its proper kind of burying. Just die, please. Okay, that's one knockback. Oh. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, both of them. No, one of them missed. So far my... No, so far this is doing good. Literally, what the hell is this lineup? Bro, I hate this lineup. This lineup sucks. It sucks so much. Time. Okay. Okay, that's two. No, wait. No. No, not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. Oh no, that's another crap timing. Please. Oh wait, it's still. Oh wow. It's still hitting the Yandom. Since I knew that without combos, my Paragon Cat exactly hits when like Vix almost hits the base. after Nyandem dies, I can just send like Govolodon because like it can sub. Okay, GG's. Imagine I die. Plus, oh no, we need Paragon. We need Paragon. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, 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 what? No, 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 no. Oh, whoa, 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 what the? Yo! Yo, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I almost have this. Please, no. No! Wait! No, I did. Wait. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. I'm speechless. No way that wave attack did not hit Paragon. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm literally going to Mew. Oh my god, I feel so Sigma. Oh my god, I got one Ammonite. Bro, I'm literally I'm literally like the luckiest person in the whole world. Not the whole world. Tidy Kitten. Alright, time to fix this crappy loadout. So, time for another low quality stuff, I guess. You know the drill. I just press this and pause. Right, I fixed my loadout. It's literally the same. I don't know what's next, so I'm just going for the usual uncanny legends. Wait, hold on, wait. Right, so I'm back. There's a lot of noise, that's why I paused the recording. Plus, don't mind the sound getting louder because I just turned it up. So, yeah. This reminds me of Wandering Traveler. Bro, my English sucks. I know. So, I guess this elephant will literally just beat the crap out of my cats. No, if it one-shot the eraser, it must be at least ultra buffed. Yeah. I'm not surprised. Oh wait, that's. Oh wait. Okay. I think I might was correct. It reminds me of Wandering. Oh, okay. It's not that absolutely buffed. Like my. If it doesn't one shot, my cat can. So I know it's like deals less than 80,000 damage. Which I know I use like a stat thing. I don't know what to use. I just use a website like what is it called? My Gamma Total or something. Just please recommend me a website that not website or something that can tell me stats. Right, so that's just some free money, right? Oh wait, that's okay. Oh wait, I remembered the Sunfish. No, not Sunfish Jones. Starfish Jones. Literally said like invisible from the front. Since the game is in landscape mode and whatever, I forgot. And that does make sense because it's literally like 2D. Okay, luckily I still have my Holy Blast, which doesn't even help. Yes, let me guess, it deals only like 2,000 damage. I bet. Bro, I think you're spamming a lot of these. Imagine Sunfish starts dying because of my like slime and Gravolodon's wave attack. Believe me or not, my Gravolodon is the first unit I upgraded to level 50. Yeah, literally, after I have like beaten beaten SOL like for like freshly beaten SOL. I got that Uber Cats I saved up just for Gravolodon. Literally, I just love it. I love it in all ways. Please, bro, no. Okay. So now I can just send my last boss. I needed this guy to true form. I got like 155 NP saved up. Yeah, I'm still wondering like which talent should I get? Colossus Slayer, whatever. Skibidi Slayer. Bro, I feel so Gen Alpha. No, wait, this is Gen Beta now. Bro, just please. I I I feel like I'm still like a new game player. Like I just beaten like the Empire of Cats Chapter 2. I want to see this guy. Oh, that's a lot of damage. And we won. Yes, sir. I realize these like chapters give me like crap ton of XP. Yeah, which is, I'm not saying that it's bad, but it's really good. Bathtubs of Whimsy. Whatever. I'm just going with this set. Plus, I still forgot. Oh, that's the hacker. Oh wait. Oh wait, 2 hackers. I know it's called Hacky. I just always give them nicknames. Don't hit my can. Alright. Oh wait, that's some Brawlos right there. Oh wait, no. That's like that's Brawlos. Bro, I hate you Brawlos. Why? Okay, I think that's a lot of Brawlos now. Oh no. Wait. No, I can't Bro, I can't get those hackers to hit my base. Still, I still give nicknames. Look, they literally one-shot my cats. Bro, no way did... Curse Blast, please help me. Yo, what the hell? Nah. That was quick. Now I get to see what's inside. Wait, that's it? Alright, I just need CC units. Well, Modern Cat isn't going to help. Oh wait, I just realized something. I can use this. Oh my god, I've never been this Sigma before. Let's use the first form. Bro, Larry, this is literally comedy. I need a good unit against like floating. I mean, no, Row Cat, Octopus Cat. Can it actually help? I'm just going to upgrade it to level 40. Yeah, I have enough. You guys can yell at me. I don't care. I'm literally like brain dead. I don't know what to do in life. Oh, didn't mean to. Oh, yeah, 41. No challenge. Okay, I'll bring Octopus. Well, what should I replace with? Okay, this is the first time and probably the only time I'm going to replace Last Boss. Wait. Oh, let me take out Gal and put Castley. I know my Castley is only like level 30, so the answer is I still don't care. Oh my god. I've never been this Sigma before. Oh crap, this spawns... Wait a minute. I think this is faster. Wait. Bro, it thinks the same speed, but like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Dude, no way. See? I've literally the worst timing in the whole world. I managed to get my cast to literally like die to some stupid stuff. Now, oh wait, 3 brawlers this time. Now I have to aim. Please don't hit it. No way! I'm actually going to cringe so hard. Plus, I still haven't changed the... Please don't hit my Casley. Oh, it's still alive. It's still alive. Yep, I think my Casley is gone. Oh, wait, no, not. What the hell? Did that just two-shot my base? Oh. 26. Yo, I just accidentally paused. Yeah. I was okay, back to the topic. Yeah, 26 minutes. Nah. Since now I know Casley isn't going to help because that just screws over my cats. Does camera help? Yeah, I don't know. Let's just bring camera just in case. Because why not? Let's just try some new stuff. Maybe, just maybe, I just don't need Grapholodon. Yeah, let's just put True Killer Cat. Now what don't we need? Yeah, that's pretty much it. The most insane loadout in literally 2025. What the hell am I actually going to use with True Killer Cat? So I spawned this first, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never mind, I just skipped it. I think Courier has like 21 speed. Now I have now I just literally just like speed run. Oh wait, this is quick this time. Okay. So far so good. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. Wait, no way did... Oh no. Oh crap. That's the problem. We have a problem now. We have a problem. Yeah, I think we're screwed. We're screwed, yeah. Bro, sorry if I make this video long. I'm not good at making long videos. What does it have to do with this squirrel? Plus, I hate this hacker. I know, I keep... Plus, I hate this guy. I literally hate this guy. Brawlers literally just ruined my life. Literally, the stage Cubist crimes. I lost so many leaderships because of this. So, since now I know Octopus isn't going to help, that's not a waste. It waste of cat size, but like, yeah, maybe it could help in the future. So, let's use an Uber. And you know what it's going to be. Definitely, let's go for Dodgeball Konio-kun. Yeah. No, definitely no. Let's go, Gravolodon. I believe in you. Plus, he's my only hope. So, what I do now is like literally just speedrun the stage. Hopefully, like it gets there. No way! I hate my life. I literally hate my life so much. Dude, my timing sucks ass. Bro, wait. Bro, at this rate, oh wait, the hacky's going to two-shot. I was about to say my hackies are really going to two-shot my Gravolodon. Yep, and my Gravolodon is dead. Now, yes sir, I love that snipe. And they should die soon. Oh wow, what if my camera gets to live? Oh wait, it survived a hit. Yes sir. Without slime, I'm literally like screwed. Now you. Oh wait. As long as my slime is alive. Yes, one of them died. One of them died. Yes, 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 yes. Oh wait. Oh wait. Ah, now I know what. Now I know hackers does more than 100,000 damage. Yes, it did one-shot my can. Okay, now I win. To celebrate. People keep saying that I shouldn't celebrate too early, but who cares? It's a single play game, so yes sir. Now I don't have to deal with those stupid brawl like 10,000% brawlers. I'm still saying that I keep doing the most bizarre loadouts ever. Using holy blast as well. Yes, sir. What? Okay, this is probably the last one, and I guarantee you this must have a relic. So let's actually get something done. We need modern cat. Yes, sir. Camera. Goodbye. I still need you, camera. But let's just see the stage. Now, what do I need? Yeah, cause why not? Bad luck, Ibisu, and yeah, that's it. That's it. I think I won. Unless somewhat the stage just give me some. Okay, let's be for real this time. Let's use Thunderbolt. Yeah. Oh, I think like this video will take like 30 minutes to upload on YouTube. Plus, I still haven't got a thumbnail for this video yet. And let me guess, this is going to literally two taps. 3 taps. Okay, 3. Wait. That went so quick. Please don't hit the base. Yes. Okay, now this dog can kill my Can. Because no way my Can lives. Now I just upgrade and do this. POV Doge Dart. You keep seeing this. Yeah, this is what I do all the time. And I bet 99% of you that have this combo will do it as well. Not combo, like you know what I mean? Look, literally with double money. It's so much better. One run black. Oh, okay. Then I'll just have to control my meat shield flow because I am going to be honest, and plus I'm really sure that the Corey is menacing. As I'm saying this, oh wait, okay. At least the Corey isn't like too strong though. Okay, my modern cat gets to live, so it does less than like 15,000 damage per wave. Plus, I really hate those Dolphinas. They are another enemy that ruins my life. Dolphina literally ruins my life. On that stage called... There's two stages, No Return Flights and Sonic Crew. Yeah, and I can't believe I'm going to do that in 4 stars. Plus, I'm still wondering, why does like 4 stars in SO instead of like returning to the original 1 crown, it becomes like even more buffed. Yeah, literally. The cave fillet thing. I have to deal with a Bun with literally like 3 million health. Same with the face and crunchy pillar. I have to deal with a boss with like 3 million health. Which by the time I realized I have camera. And we just beaten this chapter. Yay. Now we're 1 chapter closer to Urs and Feiners. Right. Oh, Gelatin Mines. I'm coming for you. Okay, I think that's it for now because I'm too lazy to make the video even more longer. So oh, what the hell did what the hell? Okay, don't mind that.